All right, hey there YouTube, real quick. I got the dash all tore apart, and while I'm in here, I wanted to change the little bulb back here. I got it on right now, it's working. Got the new one in. I don't think since I've owned this thing that it's ever worked. Oh, now it won't go back in. But anyway, so that bulb, it goes under, I think it's the climate control bulb, and then that's the number right there, 74. They also have like a similar bulb, which is 73. I don't know if that will work. This one is more wattage than the other one, but that's the one that I found on the internet that works. This was like 680, 690 something. AutoZone was like 650 something or so. I think it was cheaper at AutoZone anyway, but you can go online, go to Amazon, look up this bulb. I think when I was searching, I put in Sylvania bulb 74 or something like that, and there was a store that was selling these for $10, and you get 10 of them, so that's not a bad deal. You can also look up, see if they have LEDs in it. There's a lot of off brands that do have them, so you could give them a shot. I don't know how well they'll work. They might work great, they may not. But yeah, bulb 74, climate control, light bulb. So yeah, so that's it for this video. So till next time, y'all take care now.